In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TickTick for daily tasks. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can build a reliable daily routine. Start by opening TickTick and heading to the Today view. This is your command center for what needs attention right now. If you don't see it immediately, look for the option labeled Today in the sidebar and click it. You'll get a clean list showing only tasks scheduled for today, which helps cut through the clutter and keeps you on track. To add something new, click the plus Add Task button. A text field appears. Type a clear, specific task name, like email the report instead of something vague. Clear titles make it easier to scan your list later and helps you avoid decision fatigue when you're busy. On the right side of that task entry, you'll see options to adjust the schedule. Click there to edit the date. Choose the day that makes sense. If it belongs on your current plate, keep it on today, but if it fits later, move it to that date so your today view stays realistic and achievable. You can also set on time. Turning this on adds a specific time and a reminder, which is perfect for time-sensitive items or meetings. If this is something that happens on a cadence, select repeat and pick the frequency, daily, weekly, or whatever suits. This is great for habits, recurring responsibilities, and anything you want to automate. When you're happy with the details, click OK to save them. Next, look for a small drop-down arrow to reveal more options. Choose priority to highlight how important the task is. Mark truly critical items as high priority and keep others lower so your eye knows where to go first. This is especially helpful when the list fills up during the day. You'll also see an attachment option. Use this to add a file or reference you'll need when you do the task, like a brief, image, or document, so everything is in one place and you don't have to hunt for resources later. Once the task looks right, press enter to save it quickly. You'll see it pop into your today list with the date, time, repeat settings, priority, and any attachments you added. To keep your momentum, you can immediately type to add more tasks. TickTick is designed for rapid entry, so you can capture your whole day in seconds without breaking focus. That's it. By using today, setting the right date and time, adding repeats, assigning priority, and attaching the materials you need, you'll keep your daily plan realistic, visible, and actionable.